Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
I'm having reoccurring headaches where I feel a lot of heat in the back of my head.
Okay.
A bit of my ears feel very tight and very plugged. And it makes me feel kind of fuzzy. The pain is dull and aching. And I try to get through the day without taking an aspirin. But sometimes I will take an aspirin just to help me be more productive.
So how long this been going on?
This has been going on probably for the past 3 to 4 weeks. I've been having them on a sporadic basis. It's not every day, but it's, I do have them maybe every other day. I'm having a good day or a bad day.
Okay. So is that like when you have it in a day, that's considered constant? The entire day you feel that dull aching pain, or it comes and goes?
It will come and go, and generally it'll tend to... Sometimes by the evening it will be dissipated.
Dissipated. Okay. And at worst, how much from 0 to 10 the headache?
It could go, today was a 5 earlier today before the aspirin.
Before the aspirin. How much is now?
Right now it's probably around a 4.
4. Where do you feel it? Would you show me exactly?
I feel it here, all through here.
Okay.
I feel it at my bottom of my skull and the back of my head.
In the last 3 weeks, have you had any treatments for this?
No.
So, okay. Is there any other symptoms? Do you have neck issues or
no neck issues? I just feel flushed, a little off.
Feel like dizzy a little bit?
Dizzy.
Feel like
my
tired?
equilibrium feels a little off.
Okay.
And just the pain, the ache in my head.
The ache, the headaches,
yes.
You feel it. And mostly behind your ears or the entire area here?
I would say probably it's kind of like behind the ears and then by my temples.
Do you feel it like a band, or do you feel it like...
a band, yes.
Like a band surrounding this area. Okay.
If they could answer me, okay?
Yes.
Okay. I'll call you if they send it over, okay?
Okay. Feel that?
Yeah.
So just in account that this is here on Mondays and Thursdays.
No, I'm okay.
Okay. So
It's gone.
it's gone. Okay. So
Feels better.
what do you think about the ASTR treatments?
Fabulous.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.